Hi students. Previous session or previous videos we discussed about what? Programming in C syllabus, completely about Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 with topics, right? And also we discussed prescribed textbook and some reference textbooks relevant to what? Programming in C language. And model question paper we had discussed academic year 2020. Okay. It consists two sections, part A and part B, like that. In detail I provided on what unit which question it comes. Today continuation of another pattern, another topic, programming in C lab. Okay, today we try to discuss about programming in C lab. Here 16 questions are there in C lab. The first question, write a program to find the largest two numbers using if and conditional operators. See, from operators one question comes here. Several operators are there. We'll discuss in detail each and every operator through programmatically with execution. But as per university, they given one question from the operators like, okay, uh, conditional operators. Okay. Next, second question, write a program to print the reverse of a given number. Okay. Third question, write a program to print the prime numbers. Okay. From 2 to n, where n is given by users. Next, write a program to find the roots of a quadratic equations using switch statement. Some staircase programs are there, like this is about stars, different patterns of stars there here. Okay, this is called pyramid, like that. They may ask different kinds of patterns, we'll discuss in the regular sessions, but according to our syllabus in the lab practical exam, so you need to write these 5 questions. Next, sixth question, write a program to find largest and smallest elements in a given list of numbers. Seventh question, write a program to find the product of two matrices. Okay. Next, multiplication or product of two matrices. Next, eighth question, write a program to find the GCD of two numbers using iteration and recursion. Ninth question, write a program to illustrate use of storage classes. See, these storage classes we had discussed in the syllabus, right? Yeah, in the unit 3. Okay, there we discussed storage classes like auto, register, static, extend, relevant examples with execution. With output I will provide. Okay. 10th question, write a program to demonstrate the call by value and call by reference concept. Next, 11th question, write a program that prints a table indicating the number of occurrence of each alphabet in the text entered as command line arguments. Okay. The 12th question, write a program to illustrate use of data type enum. Okay. 13th question, write a program to demonstrate use of string function, string.h header files. Okay, we'll discuss in detail various string functions with example program. Okay. Write a program that opens a file and counts the number of characters in a file. See, from the files topic, we may get one practical questions, right? Relevant files. Write a program to create a structure, student containing fields for roll number, name, class, year, and total marks. Like we may generate 10 students and store them in a file. Say I told you, right? In the unit 4, I discussed about structured topics, correct? Using that structured program, we may create what? 10 students, and we need to store in the files. That records you need to store in a files. Yes, we'll do that programs practically. Next, last question, write a program that opens an existing text file and copies it to a new text file with all lowercase letters. Change it to capital letters and all other characters unchanged. See, this is also file related operation. We are going to be opening an existing text file, and whatever the content and data there in that file, we try to copy into what? New text file with all lowercase letters to the capital letters, from lowercase to capital letters, all caps. Okay, without affecting to the previous existing file. See, according to the university, for C lab for this semester we have 16 questions. These are all the 16 questions. Okay, and you make a note. See, we can able to write the programs in a different C softwares. but as per university recommended to use some open source softwares like GCC on Linux environment, okay, Dev C++, Dev C++ or code blocks on Windows environment, okay. They specified Dev C++ or code blocks on Windows, but I can explain with the different C softwares, Turbo C++, okay, like desktop versions, console versions, Dev C++, code blocks. Like I may suggest you in different versions, but as per university, they may provided recommended some open source softwares like Dev C++ software code blocks on Windows based environment. Okay, GCC on what? Linux based environment. These softwares you need to remember. Next, coming to the practical question paper part, okay. So it is also affected from academic year 2019, okay. It is similar for 2020 also, okay. See, they may give 4 programs, okay. On that, you need to write any 2 questions. So in the 16 programs, they write just only we discussed 16 programs. In the 16 programs, unit wise, okay, we need to write at least 2 different units, programs you need to write in the lab exam, okay. Viva 10 marks. Record, you need to maintain record these 16 programs with the outputs, okay. You may get 10 marks. Total what? 30 marks for getting the answers for any 2 programs. Each carries 15 marks. 15 into 2, 30 marks. Viva 10 marks, 40. Record 10 marks, 50. See, this is a pattern of your practical question paper of programming in C. Okay. Thank you all.